Today I'm going to be changing a Kwikset locking doorknob. It's been here for a while, but it's getting a little dangerous because this little piece right here, I don't even know what it's called. It is broken, and sometimes it makes the door not be able to close, and also us getting into our home. So I'm going to be changing it to a new locking mechanism. I'm putting another Kwikset locking doorknob here, sprucing it up with some bronze accents. And you're only going to need a screwdriver. All right, a Phillips head screwdriver, that is. All right, let's start this off. I want to just take out the two screws on either side of the doorknob. You can loosen them up. Yeah, you just want to take and loosen up the two screws on each side. So now that this is getting loose, you can turn and pull it off. So the screws, the reason that you can only, or you can just loosen them up rather than take them all the way out, they fit into these slots. And so that's when you can just take those off. Now the whole other part should just slide out. Just like that. Can't see it, but there's two screws here at the end of the door. Just take those completely out. And that's your latch. Okay, now it's time to put in the latch. So one of the things you want to make sure, this one came with two different positions. Once you push it in, you want to be able to see this hole right here in that slot. The reason is the exterior knob, these holes, these holes for the screws need to go through those. Now again, with just your regular Phillips screwdriver, you just screw that in. Fairly simple. Make it nice and tight. All right, so now it's ready for the knob. Like I said, this goes to the center. These two pieces go through these holes right here. Let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see that come through. Okay. And see how they came nicely through the holes. All right, gotta hold that up. All right, now it's time to put on the interior knob. Gotta make sure you position that correctly so the centerpiece goes through that little hole. All right, there we go. This will be the hardest part of the job, trying to line the holes up. Yeah, this will be the hardest part of the job, trying to line these up. I'm trying to line this up with having the camera in the way. But once you get one of them lined up, should be able to find the other hole here. All right. Okay. There we go. Let's see. It locks. Locks. Last thing I have to do is take and put the new jam mold side where the latch will come in there. So I'm going to do that. But that's how you change a Kwikset lock set in less than 5 minutes with only one tool, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to rekey this item to our keys off camera. But as always, if you like this type of video, please give a like and a follow, and have a great day.